Hi guys, good evening. So, natay ikan ang karon. Hinatag na siya sa among silingan. Thank you kayo, Kat. Kasi mong share. So, Korean food ni siya. Mix ni siya na shell. Here's the shell. So, halang ni siya. So, sa ito pa rin ko na mga abatan ni. So, ako naman. Mm. Kaya,
Ako?
dito natin.
Gani ko, Bi.
A little bit halang. Okay? Okay lang.
Little bit, grabe
May little bit lang. Ay, little bit naman. Sama ni siya. Akong dinner. Ihatag lang ni. So, ano siya? Pang Korean. Mm. 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 Like this. I don't know what's the name. Then this one, I think this is pork. I mean this is bacon. Mm. Yeah. Tofu. Fried tofu. Good. Mm. Good. Mm. 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 Salamat sa nagatag. Yummy. Mm. Spicy. Alam, nasuka lang. But sometimes, you feel the spicy. Mm. Last na ni Shell. Hindi na ko itong kay I'm so full. Hindi ka na finish.
Yan ito.
Mm. Ano? Ako, ano? Ingatan, tita Kati. Halang. Uy, oh my gosh, I cannot open. Siya mapinday. Yata gani ha, nga mo ang pinalit. So, hindi ka palitan, hindi ka afford. We cannot afford like this. If there's no, if no one will give me like this or us like this, we will get this because it's spicy. They don't like it spicy. So, we cannot eat like this. This is from Korean restaurant. And we cannot finish it all. That's really dish here. Share your blessing. Share your blessing. But I cannot open, so I'm not gonna eat. And I'm done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Yo.